No, no. Don't push. Don't touch. Don't touch right now. We'll see Coco's pictures in just a minute. No, Cole, stop. No, no. Cole, why are you taking your shirt off? Lily, let's not do that. You want to put your arm back in? Okay. You want to take it off? Or you want to put your arm back in? Here. Your arm goes up here. Hang on. Hang on. Hand me your arm. There you go. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Let me help you. Helen. It goes right here. Your hand goes up here. Uh-oh, your glasses are about to fall off. Yours ain't going to be like hers, because yours is different. Mm-hmm. You going to put them back on your eyes? Uh-oh.